Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Located in the popularly known Towers Isle community, this luxurious three-level, 4,500 square feet home with land area of 34,848 square feet offers so much more than just its prime location. With 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms, this new construction easily surpassed everyday expectations. The open layout of the main level combined with the high ceilings and ambience of windows that enables the natural light to flow throughout. The large gourmet chef kitchen comes fully equipped with all appliances and present modernized sophistication without compromising capability. Additionally, the main level features a junior master suite fully equipped with a large closet and a generous full bathroom. Enjoy stunning sea views from the expansive rooftop terrace where the lucky new owner will enjoy many memorable moments. This property is located within 10 minutes of Ocho Rios, 5 minutes to White River, 10 minutes to the Ian Fleming International Airport, and 7 minutes to Sugar Pot Beach. Some other features includes ceramic tile, kitchen built-ins, jetted bathtub, main level entry, fully walled. House is being sold with appliances, central location, easy access to amenities, view of the ocean and acreage. The asking price for this house is US 900,000 or Jamaican $138.5 million. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.